Hi, I'm Chef Jimmy Kia with over 29 years of experience in the baking industry and a passion for training. Today, we are making a rustic and flavorful country wholemeal bread using the exceptional Livendo Tradizy durum. Here are the ingredients: wholemeal flour 150 gram, water 175 ml, Livendo Tradizy durum 10 gram. We begin by preparing the puri starter, a simple mix of wholemeal flour, water, and Tradizy durum. Let this ferment for 2 hours at 24 degrees Celsius. Once the puri is ready, we combine it with the wheat flour, water, salt, sugar, honey, butter, and Tradizy durum to form the final dough. Mix 4 minutes at slow speed and 2 minutes for the fast speed for the ideal dough consistency. Then divide it into 4 pieces of 190 gram portion and shape into oblong dough. So brew for 3 hours at 30 degrees to allow the dough to rise. Use your palm to compress the dough so that it is flat and even. When you roll, make sure it is tight and compact to have a good shape. Scoring is a process when you have a design and allow gas to expand, and you can score before or after proving. This is low sugar Euro soft wholemeal bread using Tradizy durum. Each is an all-in-one, easy to use product that can mix it directly with flour and other ingredients to get the rustic flavor of durum wheat and crispiness of the sourdough bread. So, to create the shining and crispy crust, we use high heat and steam for the initial part of the baking. Bake the rolls in the oven at 200 degrees for about 18 minutes depending on the type of your oven. The result is a beautiful golden rustic bread with a deep flavored crust thanks to Tradizy durum. Here is the country wholemeal bread, great for sandwiches or toast. Thank you for watching.